Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dispenser user interface assembly in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need 2 thin putty knives and painter's tape. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Apply a strip of painter's tape directly below the dispenser interface, as well as along the left edge. Now insert the 2 thin putty knives to pry the left side and bottom of the interface away from the door, and you can then pull the top edge free. Slide out the retaining clips securing the actuator paddle wire connectors. Then disconnect all 5 wire connectors to fully remove the old interface. To install the new dispenser user interface assembly, first connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Secure the actuator paddle wire connectors with the retaining clips. Now insert the upper tabs on the interface into the slots in the housing, then snap the bottom into place. Remove the tape. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.